Green curry chicken with squash is a delicious dish that is very easy to make at home. Welcome to home cooking. It is easy. Everyone can cook. Let's get started. Cut 3 to 4 squash in quarters, bite-sized pieces. Set aside. Cut 1/4 red bell pepper. Set aside. Half cup Thai basil or sweet basil. Set aside. Cut 1/2 pound chicken breast for bite-sized pieces. Set aside. On medium to high heat, add 2 tablespoons cooking oil and swirl around. Add 2 to 3 tablespoons green curry paste. Add less for less spicy, add more for more spicy, stirring constantly for about 1 minute until aromatic. Add 1/2 pound chicken and stir to mix well with the paste. Add 3/4 can of coconut milk. Add 1/2 to 3/4 cup of water. Then bring it to boil. Then bring it to a simmer until chicken and vegetables are almost cooked. Add 2 to 3 tablespoons fish sauce. Add 1 to 2 tablespoons sugar. Stir to mix well. Taste and add more fish sauce, and/or sugar as needed. Add 3 to 4 kaffir lime leaves, roughly torn. Add red bell pepper. Add 1/2 cup Thai basil leaves or sweet basil. Turn off the heat. Remove to the bowl. Add bell pepper for garnish, but this is optional. Serve with Thai jasmine rice on the side. Check out the ingredients in the subscription below the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell. New videos uploaded weekly.